Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza. I am here doing the demo portion from the unboxing that I did just the other day. There were a few plates in there. I've already done a video on the tropical plate collection. I'm going to link that in the description at the bottom. So I'm going to leave that in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The comments really help me out. So do the likes and subscriptions. And besides, I do giveaways from time to time. You're going to want to get those notifications and be a member because subscribing makes you eligible for the giveaway. So what am I doing? I'm going to do some abstract nails. I'm kind of doing an experiment using the stamper to move the polish on the nail. So we're going to see how that works, and then we're going to stamp something. I'm just going to put down some paper towels here. And we may do a whole mani, we may not. Oh, and someone had asked, I think it was Pink, someone had asked, complimented me on the nail polish I was wearing the last time I did a video. I think it was the unboxing. And this is Making Mauves by Sally Hansen, and it's an Insta-Dry. Gotta love those Insta-Dries. I don't know if they still make it. This one's many years old. All right, so I'm gonna actually, I experimented with this before the video, but like a true brain fog-aholic, I forget what I did exactly that I liked so much. So let's see what I did. I think what I did, I don't think you can get most of these anymore. This is one of the Insta-Dry mats. It's like a gold. It sells Rose Flush. And this was from a PPU polish pickup. Mini Moo Moo. And this one, just out of this pearl. And this one is, I really like this one. I'm going to be sad when it's gone. This is by Cupcake Polish. It's called Elizabeth. All right, so I'm going to open all of these. And we're going to do, I think it was dots in a row. So I did this. I did this. I did this. And then I did this. And I didn't use this much nail polish. This is a lot of freaking polish. All right, so let's see how this goes. I'm going to use the small stamper. No, I'm going to use the big stamper. Oh, I think there's a hair on it. Maybe not. I got it. All right, so this is kind of a smush, but it's not so much a smush. Tell me how you like that. I mean, it's obviously meant to leave more of the nail, the base color, and that's the real difference here. I wanted more of the base color to show through, and with a smushed marble, that is not the aim of the game. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over here. Maybe we should switch orders. Let's see. Let's put I really like this one. It's got all sorts of little fun bits and pieces and some iridescence. Too bad it was a polish pickup. All right. Now, I do usually mean to put the two rose golds like opposite each other, but that's not how that worked out just now. So we'll see if that works. All right. How has everybody been? I'm still working on getting back to walking. I did almost 3 miles today. That's better. I was seeing a blue that I didn't understand. Also, I'm probably far too far away. All right, so the last one, let's see how much we've got here. Oh, we've got plenty here. The last one, we're just gonna dip and dip. And this way, you know, I've seen the plates where they have little shapes like ovals or rectangles or whatever. And that's fun. If you're doing a base for an abstract, you'll do like a base color and then you'll put like an oval and then you'll put the art on top. That's a really good fun method. That's how I often see it done, which is why I wanted to try to do something a little different. Now, maybe this isn't the most different since I'm still smushing stuff. Well, I mean, there are plates with abstract shapes and as well as art. I don't know why I can't speak today. Sorry, everybody. Yeah, I'm sure people have seen the ones with like ovals and circles and rectangles and all that stuff as well. But I just really wanted a very minimalist look here. I also had wanted to use a hollow top coat. Okay, I'm back. This isn't the one I was looking for, but this will work. This one's a little bit heavy on the hollow though. And it's silver, not gold. Just gonna put a little bit. We don't need to overdo things to make them fun and sparkly. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a top coat on these, and I'll come back when I am ready to stamp on them. By the way, the nails today are Sinful Colors Sheer Matte in Sheer Truth. Love that. Okay, also LA Colors Mermaid Magic in Crystals. 1 coat on this hand, 2 coats of the crystals on this hand. It looks a little bulky with 2 coats. I'm gonna say my personal opinion is 1 coat. All right, should be ready to top coat these bad boys. So let's do that. All right. I had a story I wanted to tell you, but I don't remember it. I do know that I hope everybody will be proud of me. I know some of you know that I have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, which really makes moving my joints very hard. I mean, it's easy. I'm hypermobile, but stability is a problem, and I have to be taught it, and it's a hard work. And in the meantime, there's just a lot of pain. So, but just recently, I have a 20-minute core high impact training session that is 2 sets of 10 minutes of core, well, with rests, of course, and then you wait a minute between each set. And I got COVID January 2nd, maybe, and had, you know, my fibromyalgia reset and all that. First time since COVID, yesterday, I hit my goals. I did the entire pre-COVID routine the exact way I would have done it pre-COVID. So I say that's a cause for celebration. Let me come back when this is all dry. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So we are going to do this here design. First one I'm going to use is this pretty lady right here. I might pull back just a bit. There's more shine, but now you can kind of see a little bit better what I'm doing. What is happening here? All right. Sorry, we were in backwards land for a little bit. Oh, come on. Whenever I lotion up my hands, I have difficulty opening some various polishes. All right, so these are fine lines. I'm just putting it over the whole image. You don't have to if you don't want to. This is just what works for me if I want a really good pickup first try. And again, this is from the La Musée collection, which is one of my very favorites. Should probably have a stamper handy, eh? All right, let's go here. And we got her. And then the next step is, of course, putting her here. All right. And I want both of these ladies to get flowers because flowers are beautiful, ladies are beautiful. Let's just give everybody some beauty. Gonna get rid of this though. You'll notice that since I actually have polish I want to keep on my nails, I am using a little binder clip to erase everything. We're going to go back into that Hit the Bottle black in the economy size. Always makes me so happy. And Hit the Bottle is really just the best stamping polish, although I do really like Be Love's plates as well. All right, we're going to let it sit there until I find out where my stamper is. There we go. All right, swipe, press, here we go. Can you see? You can see. All right, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes again. Welcome back to the 90s, everybody. 98 or 99, I was 20 or 21. And I did like that song. I don't know if I should be ashamed to admit it or not. Now here, which flowers shall we give which people? So I'm pretty sure that the hand will not fit on the pinky, but the fingertips will. So I'm going to go ahead, because this is facing that direction. I'm just telling you what thoughts go into my placement. Did we get a good pickup? Not as good as I would like, because if you see, look here. There's just a tiny little bit right there where I didn't cover it in polish. That is definitely a user error, ladies and gentlethems. It is. All right, so let me get going, fixing my mistake. And when you do something like that, you really want to work hard at getting all of the polish out with the acetone, because sometimes it might be that a part was kind of blocked with some previous polish. Polish that you can't see, but it still impedes the stamp. Whoops. Okay, let's go, let's go. We've got a whole flower this time. It is a go. 1040, good buddy. It is a go. And we're going to give it to her. I'm glad I'm lined up where you all can see this. This is kind of really fun for me, knowing you can see what I stamp as opposed to me being constantly out of frame. I don't know if you're rejoicing, but I bet you're as relieved as I am. All right, one more stamp. We're going to do one of these two flowers. Or, gosh, I really love this crescent moon. I just edited out all of that footage because I can't decide. It's taken me a long time to decide. am going to try the planter with the crescent moon because it's vibing with me, as one might say. Which is the absolute worst thing to follow your statement with if you want to appear cool. Let me be the example to all of you on how not to be cool. Okay, I'm really not happy with the thinness of this line. So I'm going to take a really sloppy, I'm not going to use the other word, the M word. I know everybody hates it. I don't care, but I really am just going to need to use all of my acetone magical powers on this because I really do think it needs it. All right. So forget being delicate. Let's just get this thing going. And at the end of the video, I'm going to put in an image or two. I know I am linking the actual video in the description box, but I do want to show you a couple things I did with those tropical plates that Therese sent me. Because, oh yes, we have much better pickup. Much better pickup. I did tell you I was struggling with words the other day. Today. The other day, that might have been yesterday, I was so upset. What am I doing here? I'm cleaning before stamping. No, 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 no. That is the opposite of the procedure. What? Did I wait too long? Let's us check. Please. Dear spirits of stamping. Y'all got me. Thank you. Yes. There shall not be much rejoicing. Okay, I'm gonna have to take all my pretty polish off to put these on. Oh well, life goes on. Anyway, I hope, hold on, I'm gonna settle a bit of a zoom in here. Come on, zoom a little bit better. I'm trying to be really careful with it because sometimes it just goes crazy. Okay, so those are my images. Sometimes with an abstract, I will just put a couple of, painting or line images on. But I really kind of wanted to talk about the beauty of who we all are. Significance, I'm sure it matters more to the person who is wearing it. And that's who it's for, really. I mean, other people can say how gorgeous things are, and that's good. You can take pride in your nails. You should take pride in your nails. But I also should think that I think you should remind yourself how beautiful and wonderful you are. And I think you're beautiful and wonderful. And thank you for listening to me and watching me do some nail art. Much more coming. I am feeling momentum again for the first time in a very long time. I will have to split my time between this and a couple of other things that are must-dos, but I think I can get her done. So watch this space. This channel is going to come up with some more stuff very soon, and I finally have a pun for you again. All right. So, what makes Picasso exhibits so hostile? A lot of side-eye. Good night, everybody. See you next time, you beautiful people.